Here's Connor again. Yeah, it's catfish, I think. Again. Third time today, if it is.
Oh, it's a big one.
Ah, dang it. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh.
Good thing your phone's waterproof.
Then we're gonna go try a new spot here soon. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Underwater filming?
Nah, let's look at a walleye. Yeah. Ooh.
Connor's phone's waterproof, so be ready for that underwater. Got this Galaxy S7. Jesus, dude.
This one's 10 plus. Close.
Can you get the freaking thing in the boat? Jesus. It's around this. That's probably like right around the size of the one that I had on that one day that I was talking
about. Looks like
about.
those retarded ones. Their face are like deformed.
I know, right?
I'm gonna get this hook out.
Okay, we'll be at you guys. Connor's hooked up again. It is. It's either a walleye or a catfish. Let's hope it's a walleye. So I don't want another catfish to crap in my boat. This one better not be like have like a giant stomach, because if it craps in my boat again, I swear to God. Connor's catching, that's his second catfish of the day. The first one I think was a little bit bigger because it was fatter. It is? Hey, don't move too much.
I know.
I think I have a fish. Yeah, I do.
Out there?
No. Sorry, guys. Had to set that down real quick because I thought I had a fish. So, well, be at you guys at the next.
Hey guys, out here walleye fishing / bass. Lucas just caught a first bass on a minnow.
I had a bluegill.
He had a huge bluegill on. He had a huge minnow. That's a 2 pound chunk right there. So I'll show you the minnows real quick. Here they are. There's a lot of dead ones in there. I'm gonna pull them out for the size. Oh. Here you go. No, stop. Alright, we'll get back to you guys with another one. Hey guys, out here walleye fishing / bass. Lucas just caught a first bass on a minnow.
I had a bluegill.
He had a huge bluegill on. He had a huge minnow. That's a 2 pound chunk right there. So I'll show you the minnows real quick. Here they are. There's a lot of dead ones in there. I'm gonna pull them out for the size. Oh. Here you go. No, stop. Alright, we'll get back to you guys with another one.
Connor's hooked up here. You don't know what it is, but he's hooked up. Oh, looks like it might be something big.
I think it's a catfish or a walleye. It's a cat.
Oh no, why? I don't want to take that off. Have fun, Connor.
Dang, I thought it was. First walleye.
We haven't caught any, me or Connor haven't caught any walleye this year. My dad's caught quite a few. That thing's pregnant.
Yeah, just crapped everywhere in your boat.
Ah!
Alright, we'll get back to you guys at the next one.